and bastring, but that's like rarely ever heard. So you gonna play the Tit-fer.
You don't have your phone, do you?
Now I played at this guy's house about, how long ago would you say that was? We did that house party. Yeah, like 10 to, yeah, man, a long time ago. And even like a year ago, I came up, almost a year ago during a blizzard. Me and my friend Ethan, who plays guitar with me on the rag. And yeah, we did a Zoom meeting with some college students also and explained the culture, like what I'm doing with y'all right now. Anyway, I'm gonna quit talking. There you go. Y'all gonna like this tune also. It's called Pretty Rosy Cheeks in Jolie Joues Roses. Not the ones on the face though. Somebody need to get a tan. Alright, it goes like this.
Tu connais le seul dans mon cœur aujourd'hui. Ton dîner va partir, allez-tu chercher et te ramener avec lui pour venir chaque jour et tu ramèneras toute seule.